Hello and welcome to Doodle Russ Designs. I've spoken about Milton in the last two episodes and thought I'd introduce you to two of the main stars of the show, Punk Nan and a cat called Sid. An OAP with attitude, smashing the system from a Stanner stairlift, more buzzcocks than bingo. I'm going to sketch out a rough outline today and then clean up and colour over the next few episodes. If you like what you see and like to see more of Punk Nan and the rest of the crowd from Milton, please do add a like and a subscribe, and remember, keep on doodling.